Hello students, welcome to computer class. First of all, note down the topic of computer project. The topic is email. You have to write about email. It is given in chapter 7, the chapter that we are discussing. Okay. So in this project, you have to write about what is email, how to use email, what is email address. You have to write about email providers, and also you have to write about the additional tools that we get with email. Okay, everything is given in chapter 7. So this will be your project, and the submission date and time will be 4th of December, next Friday, between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Okay, so note down the submission date and time, and also the topic. The topic is email. You have to write about email. So today we will solve the question answers of chapter 7, emails. This one only. So let's start. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which of the following is a method for sending and receiving messages over the network? It will be option A, email. Number 2. Privacy in emails is ensured by dash. See, it is given in page number 65. In advantages of email, point number 4, privacy. Here it is written, the emails are received in your account directly. These accounts are protected by passwords. So here the answer will be option B, passwords. Privacy in emails is ensured by passwords. Question number 3. Which of the following is must for sending emails? See, it is given in page number 66 of your book. In this page, what is needed for email address? A username and email provider domain. Two things are needed. Two things are must for email address. First is username and second is email provider domain. So what will be the answer of this question? It will be option B, username. Option number 4. Which of the following is mandatory for sending emails? Here the answer will be option A, email provider's domain name. Because just now we have seen in page number 66, two things are needed. First is username and second one is email provider domain. Okay. Next, let us solve true false. Question number 1. Calendars help us in organizing our schedules. Yes, it is given in page number 69. Calendar. These days service providers offer the facility of online calendars. These calendar allow you to organize schedule. Okay, so this is a true statement. This is a correct statement. Number 2. We cannot save physical address in online address books. No, this is a false statement. This is a wrong statement because it is given in page number 68 of your book. See, in address book it is given, most of the email providers also provide the facility of an online address book. These address books allow you to store names, email addresses, physical addresses, etc. of your contacts online. So it is given here, we can store physical address in a online address book. So it is a false statement. Number 3. Public profiles meet all our social networking needs. See, this is given in page number 69, public profile. Email providers sometimes allow you to create public profiles. These public profiles help with meeting basic social networking needs. Okay, see, it is given, these public profiles help with meeting basic social networking needs, not all the social networking needs. So this one is also a false statement. This is a wrong statement. Number 4. Hangout is an example of a email provider. No, Hangout is an example of instant chat. See, it is given in page number 68, instant chat. The instant chat provides the facility for text-based instant message sharing between users. Examples include Hangout on Gmail and Yahoo Chat on Yahoo. So Hangout is an example of instant chat. Okay, so it is also a false statement. Next, number 5. Gmail is one of the top 3 email providers in the world. Yes, this is true. It is given here in page number 67. See, last line. Today, the top 3 webmail providers are Yahoo, Microsoft's Outlook.com and Google's Gmail. So, this question number 5 is a true statement. Next, answer the following questions. Number 1. How does email help in accessing the internet? Email helps us in sending and receiving messages over a network. Email address is also required for signing up on most of the websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, etc. So in this way, email is very much helpful in accessing the internet or various services of internet. So next, question number 2. Write a short note on some additional features which are provided by email providers. The additional features that are provided by email providers are given here in page number 68 and 69. See, the 4 features are given here: instant chat, address book, calendar and public profile. Okay, you can write any 3 features from here. Okay, instant chat is used to share messages over internet. Address book is used to store contact details. Public profile is used to share photos, details about life and the status over internet. And calendar is used to organize, schedule, remember appointments and birthdays online. Okay, so there are 4 features given. We can write any 3 features from here. I will also share the PDF file for the question answers of this chapter. Note down all the question answers in your copy. I have already given you the topic for the computer project. So do the project in neat and clean page, and your handwriting should be also neat and clean. Okay, and submit it on time. And if you have any doubt regarding project, then you can ask me through WhatsApp, or you can directly call me by taking my number from WhatsApp. So that's it for today. Thank you all of you.